Hello everyone, thank you for joining us today. We have with us Jared Williams, who's running for District Attorney in Columbia, Burke, and Richmond County. Hi Jared.
Hey there.
Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
So tell us about you. We want to know who you are.
I'm an Augusta native. I was born and raised here in Augusta, Georgia. I went to school here. I graduated from Westminster in 2006, and then I went to Georgia College in Milledgeville. I graduated there in 2010 and then went down to Florida, to St. Petersburg, where I attended law school at Stetson University. Like I said, I'm from here, so all of my people are here. My folks live in Columbia County. I live in Richmond County, so does my grandma. We joke that my grandma's always 5 minutes down the road, no matter where I'm giving a speech. I love this community and I want to see it do better. I want to see our criminal justice system actually done the right way so that we can protect more people and have a safer community for everyone.
And that's what we all want.
Absolutely.
A lot of us don't really work in the criminal justice system, so what is the district attorney's job and why do you want to do it? So
the district attorney is the top prosecutor for the Tri-County, Richmond, Columbia, and Burke. And so every felony law enforcement investigation that takes place on the state level is going to be reviewed by the district attorney, as well as misdemeanors in Columbia County. And so the district attorney's job is to review law enforcement, make sure that law enforcement followed the law themselves, and then also make sure that there's a basis to believe that the person accused of a crime actually committed the crime. We call that probable cause. And so if the answer to both those questions is yes, then the district attorney has a world of discretion as to what happens next. The district attorney decides whether to file formal charges. The district attorney decides whether to ask a judge to hold someone in jail without bond. The district attorney decides if a case goes to trial or results in a plea or some sort of leniency. And the DA has the loudest voice in the courtroom as to whether someone goes to prison or not.
Wow.
Absolutely. So it's a tremendous amount of work, is a tremendous amount of responsibility, and we need to know that it's being done the right way.
And so you're the man for the job.
Absolutely. Not only am I from this community, not only do I understand the particular issues that our community faces, but I've had the opportunity to work in a lot of different prosecution offices. I worked as an assistant district attorney here in Augusta. I did that for several years. I've also worked on the defense side for several years, and so I've seen both sides of the criminal justice system. I understand the human impact of our justice system and the way that these cases affect more than just the person whose name is on the file. As well, I've had the opportunity to work in a lot of different prosecution offices in Florida. I've worked against different offices throughout Georgia, throughout South Carolina. I'm licensed in 3 states. I'm licensed in Georgia, Florida, and South Carolina. And so I've had the opportunity to see how things are done in a lot of different places, a lot of different ways. And you pull the things that actually work and create something that can actually be effective to reduce crime in our community here.